What's up, Peak Timers? The Hot Wheels Top Speed Test Track is back, and we are testing the top speed of Hot Wheels hypercars. We have got the latest and greatest Hot Wheels hypercars, including Ferrari, Lamborghini, Mclaren, Bugatti, and Koenigsegg. Let's go ahead and find out their top speeds. And we'll start it off with the Lamborghini Veneno. Check it out in this beautiful looking orange color. Let's go ahead and see what its top speed is. On your mark, get set, go! A 379 for the Lamborghini Veneno, and it will go onto our leaderboard right here. Our fastest car will sit on the pedestal. We'll see if any other car can beat the 379. Lamborghini Aventador J is our car number 2. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! A 378 for the Lamborghini Aventador J doesn't beat the Veneno. 379 the time to beat. Let's see if the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster can do it. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! A 395, the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster will take over as our fastest car. There we go. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster takes over the Lamborghini Veneno. Lamborghini Centenario Roadster is up next. 395 is the speed to beat. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! A 393 for the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, not good enough. Moving on to some McLarens, we've got the McLaren P1. Let's see what time it sets. On your mark, get set, go! $365, definitely not fast enough to beat the 395 from the Reventon Roadster. The brand new orange McLaren Senna up next. Let's see what the top speed it can set. On your mark, get set, go! A 391, close, but doesn't beat the 395. McLaren F1 GTR. Let's see what the top speed it can set. On your mark, get set, go! A 364 for the McLaren F1 GTR, not fast enough. Koenigsegg Agera R running real riders. Let's see what it can do. On your mark, get set, go! $352, not bad with the real riders, but not fast enough. Porsche 918 Spyder in silver. Let's see what it can do. On your mark, get set, go! A 387 for the Porsche 918 Spyder, not fast enough. The Lamborghini Reventon Roadster still holds the first place spot with 395. Let's move on to our next car. Porsche Carrera Gt. Let's see what this Porsche can do. On your mark, get set, go! A 373, not bad, not fast enough though. Time for some Ferraris. Let's start it off with the Laferrari. On your mark, get set, go! The Laferrari crashes. We'll give it another chance though. Second run for the Laferrari. On your mark, get set, go! $361 in its final run, not fast enough. Ferrari Enzo's up next. Let's see what it can do. On your mark, get set, go! A 371 for the Ferrari Enzo, not good enough to get onto the board. Another V12 Ferrari, the Ferrari F50. Let's see what it can do. On your mark, get set, go! 382 for the Ferrari F50, not fast enough. Moving on to some Paganis, we've got the Pagani Huayra. On your mark, get set, go! Flips over, but a 348 for the Pagani Huayra, not fast enough. Pagani Huayra Roadster now. On your mark, get set, go! $336, not fast enough to take out that Reventon. And we are down to our final two cars, and they are both Bugattis. Let's see if one of the Bugattis can take out that Reventon Roadster and beat 395. On your mark, get set, go! $398 from the Bugatti Veyron. It takes over the lead. It's time for the Chiron. Can the Chiron take out the Veyron and take the win? On your mark, get set, go! The Chiron crashes and flips over. We'll give it a second chance though. Second chance for the Chiron. On your mark, get set, go! A 379 from the Bugatti Chiron, not enough to beat the Veyron for the top speed challenge. And there you have it, guys, with a top speed of 398. The Bugatti Veyron is our champion. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite Hot Wheels hypercar.